What is going on, YouTube? So you can see this is my little lot here. I got a few cars there, got my Yukon in the trailer over there, a couple things there, but we got the sun pointing this way here. But as you can tell, the Silverado is not on the lot, so it's gone. I wanted to keep it. That day I fixed the cluster, I put a price on it, put it for sale, and guess what? It sold the next day. So it's gone. But we're gonna go to Copart again here, and I just purchased another Silverado. So it's a little bit older one. I think it's a 2000. So, and it's got high miles. This one doesn't say it runs. So we're off to Copart again, and here we go. All right, guys. So we made it out here to Copart in Graham. They're loading up vehicles everywhere. I'm here waiting with my trailer, my truck. We're just waiting for the brand new 2001 Chevy. It's got 200,000 miles on it. It didn't say anything about it running or driving. So we will see as soon as we get it on the trailer. Maybe I'll start and try it up. Maybe try and fire it up, you know, something like that. But we're here. We're just waiting for them to load it up. 1991 Mitsubishi 3000? Or Mitsubishi 3000? Yeah, you said it's a 91? Yeah, I could probably go ahead and get that done for you. I mean, I'm not really working today. I'm actually out till the beginning of next week. So, well, that's why I'm not at my shop today. But once I get back, let me come forward a little bit. Yeah. Hold on. Sorry. Can I give you a call back here in a little bit? I'm actually kind of busy right now. Okay. Yeah, that works. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye. Right there. Perfect. Thank you. So there it is, guys. You've seen it yourself. You loaded it up on the trailer. She is good to go. Let's do a quick walk around her. It's actually a quite nice looking pickup. Looks like she's got brand new tires on her. Sorry, there's a big diesel over here running, so sorry for the background noise. But looks like she's got one little scuff here, but that's nothing big. We can get that fixed. She's got a nice canopy on her. So make sure that's closed before we leave, huh? But it looks like she's got some new tires on her. I'm actually liking that. Huh. All right. Oh, didn't see that in the picture. One big dent on the back door. But let's see here. Hopefully you're not getting too blown out by the sun there, but front end looks good too. Looks like maybe we just need a front lip. Yeah, other than that, she's a nice looking truck. So this one here, I also kind of just winged it. Didn't really come look at it. Like I said, I don't have too much time to come over here and look at them, but there's our first view at the interior. It's got the nice leather package as well. So, and it's a crew cab, so these are good sellers. We'll get it back home and check her out. Alright guys, she's all strapped down. We're ready to go. Back to Yakima it is. So we made it home safely. The truck and the trailer and everything's at the shop right now. Just a quick little update on the blue 2003 Silverado. You know, I bought that one for around $1,500. That's everything included, you know, gas, parts, and the truck itself. So that one was kind of a rare one. You know, it's a 1 in 100 kind of deal where you actually buy it really cheap, you fix it really cheap, and you sell it for good money. So like I said, I was about $1,500 into it, and I put a price of $48.99 on the window, and the guy came and he put a nice down payment and said he would do the rest of payments. So I went with the sticker price. So it was about $5,000, you know, out the door. So it's a profit of $3,500. That doesn't always happen, but it was a good deal. So that's the thing with that one. I had to sell it. So cash is always king. As for this new truck, we got that 2001 Chevy Silverado. We're gonna be seeing what's wrong with it. It's still on the trailer, so I'll be doing more videos on that one. And if you guys like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe, and we'll keep on going. Remember, stay up and hustle hard.